Now we will discuss language learning strategies and its implication for second language teaching. Effective language learners are aware of the strategies they use and why they use them. Since strategies are introduced by the teachers, therefore it is important for teachers to know, first of all, their learning styles, their preferences, and also the understanding of language learners, that how they can be made aware of the strategies which they feel important, they use in important, the very purpose for which they are using that. Now, just to refresh your memory, we have already discussed that to address this particular aspect, which is the language learning strategies, the known name is that of Rebecca Oxford. Now, she has proposed two types of strategies. One is direct strategies and the second one is indirect strategies. And under those strategies, there are three strategies each. Direct strategies has memory strategy, cognitive strategy, and then we have compensation strategies. And then indirect, we have metacognitive, affective, and social. So the skilled language learners select those strategies that work well for specific tasks. So when we're dealing with the learners and teachers in the second language context, not all strategies are going to work in each and every learner's context. Strategies have to be individualized. So maybe in dealing with the second language, some learners will go for the cognitive one, some would go for the compensation strategies where they would rely more on the help of their colleagues or their friends. Some will be involved in the metacognitive, which is having multiple activities for problem solving, understanding. Some would go for effective strategies, providing emotional help and all that. So it is important for teachers to know what type of strategies are going to benefit the individual or specific learners. Language learners need instructions in how to use strategies efficiently as a way to improve language learning and performance. There are two common ways to approach language learning strategies instruction. One is through direct and the other one is through indirect. Oxford has highlighted that in direct and integrated instruction, the teacher explains to the learners the value, importance, and purpose for the strategy. Then we have indirect strategy use, where instruction facilitates learners in centering their own learning by linking new material to already known material, by paying more attention to specific details, and by delaying production and focusing more on comprehension or the training of their listening skills. Learners start organizing more and identifying the focus of the task that they have to practice. Developing strategy-based training workshop involves different phases: preparation, presentation, practice evaluation, and expansion. So this is important for teachers since they have to use the strategy-based instructions in the classroom and the second language classroom. They have to get training through workshops, and those kinds of workshops or seminars should include the preparation, presentation, practice, evaluation, and how they can further expand on their content and knowledge. To conclude, learning strategies are teachable and language learners are provided with hands-on practice and reinforcement opportunities in strategy used, both the direct as well as the indirect strategy use.